What if I told you that the key to managing your diabetes could be found right in your produce aisle? Stick around to discover the power-packed veggies that could revolutionize your health. Hey there, health warriors! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of antioxidant-rich vegetables that could be game changers for anyone managing diabetes. Whether you're dealing with type 1, type 2, or prediabetes, this video is for you. We'll explore the top 7 veggies that pack a serious punch when it comes to fighting free radicals and keeping your blood sugar in check. Plus, I'll share some easy, delicious ways to incorporate these superfoods into your daily diet. So, grab a notepad and let's get started on this journey to better health. The power of antioxidants for diabetes management. Before we jump into our veggie lineup, let's talk about why antioxidants are so crucial, especially for those managing diabetes. Every day, our bodies are under attack from something called free radicals. These unstable molecules are like little troublemakers in our system, damaging cells and DNA. Over time, this damage can lead to chronic inflammation and increase our risk of developing diseases like cancer or diabetes. But here's where antioxidants come to the rescue. These powerful compounds can neutralize free radicals, putting a stop to the havoc they wreak on our bodies. For those managing diabetes, antioxidants offer some specific benefits. First, they help regulate how our bodies break down glucose. This is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Second, antioxidants can decrease insulin resistance. This means your body becomes more efficient at using the insulin it produces or that you take as medication. Third, they protect your vascular system. This is especially important because diabetes puts you at a higher risk for heart disease. Lastly, antioxidants help reduce overall inflammation in the body, which is often elevated in people with diabetes. Now that we understand why antioxidants are so important, let's dive into the top 7 antioxidant-rich veggies that should be on every diabetic's shopping list. Dark leafy greens. Coming in at number 1 on our list are dark leafy greens. We're talking about powerhouses like kale, spinach, collard greens, and Swiss chard. These verdant veggies are absolute nutritional gold mines. Dark leafy greens are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate. But what really sets them apart is a compound called alpha-lipoic acid. This antioxidant is a superstar when it comes to enhancing insulin sensitivity. Recent research has shown a strong link between higher intakes of dark green leafy vegetables and improved markers of blood sugar management. That means these greens aren't just good for you in general, they're specifically beneficial for managing diabetes. But wait, there's more! Dark leafy greens are also high in magnesium and potassium. These minerals play crucial roles in blood sugar regulation and overall health. So how can you add more of these green giants to your diet? Try blending them into smoothies, using them as a base for salads, or sautéing them as a side dish. You can even sneak them into soups and stews for an extra nutritional boost. 2. Cauliflower. Next up on our list is the versatile cauliflower. This cruciferous veggie has had quite the glow-up in recent years, transforming from a humble side dish to a low-carb substitute for everything from rice to pizza crust. Cauliflower is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and sulforaphane. These compounds work together to combat oxidative stress in your body. But what makes cauliflower particularly great for those managing diabetes is its low-calorie and high-fiber content. Fiber is crucial for blood sugar management as it slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. Here's an interesting fact. Studies have shown that people who eat more cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower have a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. So, not only can it help manage existing diabetes, but it might also play a role in prevention. Try roasting cauliflower with some olive oil and spices for a delicious side dish. Or get creative and use it as a low-carb rice substitute in stir-fries or as a base for grain-free bowls. The possibilities are endless. 3. Tomatoes. Moving on to number 3, we have tomatoes. Now I know what you're thinking. Aren't tomatoes technically a fruit? Well, you're right, but nutritionally they're often grouped with vegetables. And when it comes to diabetes management, they're a real superstar. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives them their vibrant red color. Studies have linked lycopene to better blood sugar management, making tomatoes a great choice for those with diabetes. But that's not all. Tomatoes are also rich in vitamins A and C, and they're a good source of fiber. All of this comes in a low-calorie package, making them perfect for weight management, which is often a key part of diabetes care. One of the best things about tomatoes is how versatile they are. You can eat them raw in salads, cook them into sauces, or use them as a base for soups. Try adding some cherry tomatoes to your next omelet or frittata for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Or broccoli. Number 4 on our list is another cruciferous vegetable powerhouse, broccoli. This green giant is packed with essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, fiber, and potassium. But what makes broccoli particularly exciting for those managing diabetes is a compound called sulforaphane. Emerging research suggests that this sulfur-containing compound may help lower blood sugar levels when consumed regularly. It's thought to play an active role in managing blood sugar and insulin resistance. Not only that, but broccoli may also help prevent blood vessel damage, which is a common complication of diabetes. So you're not just managing your blood sugar, you're protecting your overall cardiovascular health too. Don't like the taste of raw broccoli? No problem. Try roasting it with a bit of olive oil and garlic for a delicious side dish. Or steam it lightly and add it to stir fries or pasta dishes. You can even blend it into soups for a creamy, nutrient-packed meal. 5. Eggplant. Coming in at number 5 is the often overlooked eggplant. This purple veggie isn't just pretty to look at, it's also packed with health benefits for those managing diabetes. Eggplant gets its distinctive color from compounds called anthocyanins. These aren't just pigments, they're powerful antioxidants that fight cell damage in the body. But that's not all. Eggplant is also rich in other antioxidants like niacin, lutein, and zeaxanthin. One of the key benefits of eggplant for diabetes management is its fiber content. Fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, which can help keep your blood sugar levels more stable. Eggplant is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can grill it, roast it, or use it in stews and curries. Ever tried eggplant parmesan? It's a delicious way to enjoy this nutritious veggie. 6. Beets. Number 6 on our list is the vibrant and earthy beet. Now I know beets aren't everyone's favorite, but hear me out. They have some amazing benefits for those managing diabetes. People with type 2 diabetes have a higher risk of developing heart disease because long-term elevated blood sugar levels can damage the heart and blood vessels. This is where beets come in. They're rich in compounds called nitrates, which can help reduce blood pressure and support overall circulatory health. But that's not all. Beets are also a good source of minerals like magnesium and potassium, which also contribute to healthier blood pressure levels. And let's not forget about their fiber content, which, as we've discussed, is crucial for blood sugar management. Not sure how to incorporate beets into your diet? Try roasting them with a bit of olive oil and balsamic vinegar. You can also grate raw beets into salads for a crunchy, colorful addition. And if you're feeling adventurous, try beet juice. Just remember to account for the natural sugars in your meal planning. 7. Okra. Last but certainly not least, we have okra. This summer favorite might not be on everyone's radar, but it definitely should be, especially if you're managing diabetes. Okra is a nutritional powerhouse, offering an excellent source of vitamins C and K. It's also a good source of folate, magnesium, and fiber. But what really sets okra apart is its rich antioxidant profile, especially its polyphenols. Research suggests that regular consumption of okra may help lower blood sugar levels. The high fiber content in okra also plays a crucial role in slowing down the absorption of sugar in the digestive tract, which can help prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. If you're new to okra, you might be wondering how to incorporate it into your diet. One easy way to start is with pickled okra. It's a tangy, crunchy snack that's perfect for those who are hesitant about okra's unique texture. You can also try adding sliced okra to soups and stews, where it acts as a natural thickener. Or for a simple side dish, try roasting okra with a bit of olive oil and your favorite spices. Now that we've covered our top 7 antioxidant-rich veggies for diabetes management, let's talk about some practical ways to incorporate more of these superfoods into your daily diet. Tips for incorporating antioxidant-rich veggies. 1. Make veggie-based soups. Soups are a great way to pack multiple veggies into one dish. Try a lemon garlic vegetable soup or a tomato Florentine soup loaded with spinach. 2. Add veggies to your eggs. When you need a quick meal, toss extra veggies into an egg scramble or omelet. You can even make egg and vegetable muffins for a grab-and-go breakfast option. 3. Think outside the box. Get creative with how you serve your veggies. Try cauliflower steaks as a main dish or snack on homemade beet chips. 4. Try savory oatmeal. Who says oatmeal has to be sweet? Add some sautéed veggies to your morning bowl of oats for a savory twist. 5. Load up your pizza. Pizza can be a part of a healthy diet when you load it up with veggies. Try a cauliflower crust pizza topped with tomatoes, spinach, and eggplant for a low-carb, veggie-packed meal. Remember, the key is to experiment and find ways to incorporate these veggies that you genuinely enjoy. The more you like what you're eating, the easier it will be to stick to a healthy eating plan. And there you have it, folks, the top 7 antioxidant-rich veggies that can be powerful allies in managing diabetes. From the leafy greens to the vibrant beets, each of these vegetables brings its own unique set of benefits to the table. Remember, managing diabetes isn't just about avoiding certain foods. It's about embracing a variety of nutrient-dense options that can help keep your blood sugar stable and your body healthy. These veggies are not only great for managing diabetes, but they're also delicious and versatile additions to any diet. Of course, while diet plays a crucial role in diabetes management, it's important to remember that it's just one piece of the puzzle. Always work with your healthcare provider to create a comprehensive diabetes management plan that includes proper medication, regular exercise, and routine checkups. We hope this video has inspired you to add more of these antioxidant-rich veggies to your plate. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. And we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to incorporate these veggies into your diet? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, here's to your health and happiness. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Remember, small changes can lead to big results when it comes to managing your health. So why not start by adding one of these antioxidant-rich veggies to your next meal? Your future self will thank you. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.